One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it. We're going to be talking about Lyft bonuses and what's going on there. They're getting a little stingy now at this point.
So for all you haters that were just pounding me saying, "Oh, he kisses David Risher's ass. That's why he's getting all those juicy ride challenges." I haven't had one for 6 months. One. Two. Where are you all now? Right? Okay. So two. I got this. This is from my app. I got this. I mean, this is completely in error, by the way, because I have done about 20 trips on Lyft 2 consecutive months each month. So I don't know why they're sending me this, but we know what's happening with the Lyft counter and all that shit. So Lyft.
Well, let me tell you, I got a deactivation text from Walmart Spark a couple of days ago.
Oh, they deactivated you?
Yeah. No, it was sent out in error. So like literally like 15 minutes later, I got another text. Oh, did you receive? You may have received something saying you're deactivated. Yeah. That's not true. That's not true. So I mean, it's probably something like that, or it's just a notification letting you know that you have to at least give 1 trip every 30 days.
Oh, what I got not that bad. It's not that bad.
Start driving on Lyft again. Come on.
Yeah. It says give rides to stay bonus ready. I have. Hello. To qualify for most bonuses. Now, I don't know what that means. That's a little vague. Most bonuses. Okay. Well, we know there is ride challenges. We know there is turbo. We know there is happy hour. I mean, what else is there? Most bonuses.
There's the come back and give a ride bonus. So if you come back and you give 5 rides, you get an extra $100.
Incentive shit.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is for most bonuses, so it's not all bonuses because there can be some bonuses that those who haven't been driving in a while may be getting.
Because it's typical vague stuff from Lyft. You need to complete at least 1 trip, 1 ride every 30 days. Otherwise, no soup for you. I'm like, what do you mean? I did 20 trips last month and 20 trips this month, and I'm like, hey, where's my stuff? But no, they've been very stingy, by the way, both companies. I haven't seen a quest or a ride challenge forever now. 6 to 8 months.
Oh, now. On Uber, yeah. I got them. We didn't get them for a long time, and then all of a sudden we started getting them, and this was mostly like right after COVID. And everything was opening up again. It actually went a lot longer than you. Like you were complaining that you haven't gotten them, and I would get them, twice a week for a long time. And then, just recently, probably about 6 months ago, or maybe about 6 months ago, it seemed like it was just weekend only, and that was only for about a month. And then after that, I haven't seen a damn thing in the app.
I mean, the other thing is on this one. I have a video coming out this afternoon, short one, the 3-4 minute one, Sergio's Diaries video. Please go check it out. How are you doing? I mean, look, I've written articles in the past, Chris, that literally certain weeks, 40% of my revenue.
Oh, snap. Wait a minute. I got a quest available.
Lucky bastard. It's like, well, what is it? 50 trips for $10. 50 trips for $10.
No. You can give 40 trips for $20 plus 10 for 5, so $25. 50 trips for $25 with another additional 20 trips for $10 more. Or here's the better one: you could give 60 trips for $30 and
50 cents a trip.
$10, and you get $5. So in other words, it's just a 50-cent extra, which is a joke.
Yeah,
you have to give at least 40 trips in order to get $20. Wow.
No. That's okay. They can have it. So, but certain weeks, incentives used to be 30-40% of my revenue. Well, You know, a lot of people talk about, you know, I'm making less money with upfront fares, right? Well, with upfront fares, what stopped or got reduced or totally eliminated in my case? The quests, you know, the boost, and then all the incentives, right? Well, automatically, you know, under upfront fares, people are making less money. Just if you just factor in the incentives that have disappeared, that's 20, 30, 40% of certain weeks.
Mhm.
And that's why you guys are making less money. It's not because the rates are bad. Well, the rates are bad for long trips under upfront fares. But this is the reason that you guys are not making as much money as you guys were making before upfront fares. So Lyft, this is incorrect. I want my right challenge. Okay. I'm
you
willing
know
to
what?
work for my
I'm
money.
wondering.
Just send me one.
I'm wondering though if they're just sending that out to let you know as more of a just a
Nudge.
kind of an announcement versus anything saying, "Hey, make sure you give a ride every 30 days in
Well,
order to stay like
th-
active on the
that's the
platform
rule.
for bonuses."
I don't
Um,
know. Yeah, I don't know.
whether
You know,
whether you've been driving or not, I think that it might just be that.
it's okay. But I thought, you know, it's. I mean, the keys is, and this is, how are your quests? Are you getting quests, right? Challenges. I know for a fact they've been drastically reduced, if not eliminated. And if that's your 20, 30, 40% of your income, every revenue every week, you're going to make 20, 30, 40% less. It's not
Yeah,
rocket
40
science.
rides for $20. Woohoo!
Yoo-hoo. What can you get
Show
for
me that
20 bucks
money.
these days? You can't even get a Happy Meal for 20 bucks these days, bro.
I know, right?
Yeah, I
You
know.
know, it's actually hilarious because I will go to a nicer restaurant and sit down, enjoy,
Might as
and
well.
you know, they come to you, they serve you, they take
Yeah,
away the food, they'll even pack it up for you, and it's
yeah,
actually cheaper than these fast food joints, and it's a hell of a lot better.
I
So,
agree.
although
I agree.
tomorrow I'm going out to a much nicer place because it's the anniversary, so got to go somewhere nice.
Oh, happy anniversary, sir.
Thanks.
All right.
But,
Next
yeah,
one.
I mean, it's crazy. Like, my kids are like, "Oh, can we go to Five Guys?" I'm like, "Bro, you're
Let's
killing me."
go. You know, that ain't cheap, bro. Let me tell you. If you
It's
okay, you
not.
have two kids, husband, wife, you go to Five Guys, you are
It's
not
60
coming
bucks
out
for
of there with less than $100.
No, it's 60 bucks for us.
Well, kids are, you know, are not going to eat like that much. But if you have like my family, let's say, okay, husband, wife, a 22 and a 16-year-old, we're not coming out of there with less than $100 for sure.
Oh, it's insane, yeah. And
Yeah,
like I say, I could go somewhere else that's nicer and better food. I mean, Five Guys, let's be real, is awesome.
yeah. No,
And
it's fine.
but with that being said, I mean, like I say, you could go to a real nice restaurant and still get I mean, hell, you could go to Texas Roadhouse
Yeah.
and we can get in and out of there for like 75 bucks. So,
Right.
you know,
Yeah.
same thing.
Wait until your kids grow up a little bit, then you see, and you'll see.
Oh, I'll keep them 12 years old until they're like 18.
Good luck. Good luck.
Or
Anyway,
you go
so
early bird special, like the early time dinner,
it's gonna be
where
funny
it's
when I retire. Early bird specials.
yeah.
Anyway, so all
Oh,
right.
look at that. Mike Smith said the exact same thing, Texas Roadhouse.
Yeah.
And let me tell you, you could get as many rolls as you want. I'll eat like 15 of those motherfuckers. So
Carbs. There
I
we
know,
go.
right?
All right,
But
let's go to the
I
next one.
kind of gave that up for a little bit. So haven't done that in a little while.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.